Hello everybody! Today on the bench I've got a soldering iron I received as a birthday present in the year 1994. It's been working great, but the tip's getting shorter and shorter. I just got back from Radio Shack and picked up a soldering iron tip. Only kidding, by the way. Used to have one right around the corner, and it was certainly handy. So we got a new old stock Archer chisel soldering iron tip, 15/30 watt. Exactly what I've got here. It's got a date code of 3A0. Don't know if that's 80 or 90. Don't exactly recall that packaging, but I'm going to get it swapped out right quick. I guess 90 would be period correct for this one since it's 1994. It is a catalog number 64-2055A. Radio Shack, made in Taiwan, dual heat soldering iron. 15 watts/30 watts. And there's the switch. Generally I keep it on 30 watts. And I have pre-loosened it so it would come out easy on camera. It's the old one. I would say it's worn down a little bit in 31 years. Don't know about what y'all think, but looks like at least half. See if I can just get that screw in there. Thread this back in. And of course the screw fell out. And indeed, that is what it looked like when I got it. I remember that shape. I have filed it down over the years and renewed it, and it's just getting a little too short for comfort now, as I struggle to get this little screw back in there. There it goes. Maybe. Yep, I got it threaded. Not cross-threaded. Tighten her down and all fixed. All good as new. Guess I ought to go ahead and plug it in, make sure it works. I don't see a reason it shouldn't. And then, I guess for just an emergency, I'll put that back in the package and go ahead and use my vintage actual 2-inch masking tape, just to make sure I don't lose it. Then that will go safely in the hoard for another day. I'm smelling it now. Not quite. It's starting to smoke a little bit. A little bit of chooch starting there. I believe that one will be about ready to use. Oh yeah. Well, that's that. New tip on the old Radio Shack soldering iron. Back in business. Thank you for watching.